This is from a storybook of 3 languages, Visayan, Bulan, and English. It is entitled Mga Pahimangno ni Fiuwe sa Bulan, Edad Flao Fiuwe de Bulan, or in English, The Reminders of Fiuwe Through Time. This is part of the stories narrated, gathered, and enhanced by Kiblawan CADEP learners, facilitators, and Miss Donnabelle Celebrao, and illustrated by Mark Tolentino. Once upon a time, 2 sisters, Fiuwe and Suwe, live in the world amidst the moon and sun, trees, water and air, rocks and soil, and animals. The most powerful father and mother gave them the task of protecting the earth. Mother Earth was the kingdom of the Blaans. On the sacred grounds stood the mountains Bulul Lumut and Bulul Salo. On the sacred ground ran the rivers Ba'mal and Ba'amcho, among others. From the sacred ground sprang the spirit of the Blessed Father, where the first people came. Mother Earth was a bedrock of life, truth, culture, and knowledge of the Blaans. Fiuwe was known for being good. She was understanding and helpful. She could be depended upon. She also obeyed her father and mother. Suwe was infamous. She was said to be bad, selfish, jealous, deceitful, and disobedient. She had the power over floods, cyclones, earthquakes, and other unfortunate events. One day, Father commanded Fiuwe to shape clay, the soil of the earth, into persons. Put these inside bamboo stems and breathe life into them. After baking the clay, she leaned the forms against the trunk of the banana plant. The banana plant symbolized the reproduction of people. Without hurrying, she breathed life into the molded forms to awaken the spirits. From Fiuwe's life-giving breath sprang forth birds that joyfully took wings towards the wilderness. The first to emerge was the omen bird, the alimokon. The alimokon was given the duty to watch over people and protect them. Fiuwe, father and mother, gazed with delight at the people who were joyful and tolerant, loving and living in harmony. Yet, Suwe, her sister, was up to no good. One day, in a fit of jealousy, Suwe claimed all the people who did evil deeds and modeled themselves in her. Those who stole things, coveted another's wife, those who were selfish and deceived others, those who opposed good, they were all her followers. From that day forth, disaster struck Mother Earth, and the communities as people were overpowered by jealousy, selfishness, deceit, and defiance. Many lives were lost as tribe attacked another tribe. Family fought against family, and siblings versus siblings. But Fiuwe had a stronger life force. She had ways to make the natural goodness of people come to light. She know how to make Bulan strive to be good, understanding, kind, steadfast, and faithful to the most powerful one. The Bulan celebrated their oneness with one another and with Mother Earth, marking this blessed event with a dayandi, a ritual of peace. Thus, in the Bulan's daily life as they hunt, farm, safeguard Mother Earth, Fiuwe watches and leads people to do good until the end of time. In the meantime, Suwe remains watchful, on the lookout for people who lost their way and stray from the path of goodness. This is Fiuwe's inspiring message, her age-old reminders to all.